Our planet is incredibly diverse. Every year, around 15,000 new plant and animal species are described. Some may look quite ordinary, but some look like they came out of a fictional novel. Welcome to the BeeHive. Let's now check 5 animals that are so different that they look magical creatures. The long-wattled umbrellabird is a rare bird that lives in wet, cloudy forests from Colombia and Ecuador. The male has a large throat wattle of feathers, which is shown off during mating season when the umbrellabirds gather at established sites called leks. There, males display to females, who pick the best male to copulate. In order to attract a female, male umbrellabirds raise their chests, inflate and swing their long wattles, and make loud, grunting calls, which can be heard up to almost a mile away. The blue-footed bobby is a marine bird native to the eastern Pacific Ocean. It is easily recognizable by its distinctive bright blue feet, which is a sexually selected trait. Males take great pride in their fabulous feet. During mating rituals, male birds show off their feet, swinging them up and down. The bluer the feet, the more attractive the male. About half of all breeding pairs nest on the Galapagos Islands. Its diet mainly consists of fish, which is the reason for their feet color. The dugong is a marine mammal present on the waters of the Indo-West Pacific. They have a fusiform body with no dorsal fin or hind limbs. Its snout is sharply downturned, an adaptation for feeding in benthic seagrass communities. The dugong has been hunted for thousands of years for its meat and oil. Therefore, its current distribution is fragmented, and many populations are believed to be close to extinction. The proboscis monkey is an arboreal monkey with an unusually large nose. It is endemic to the Southeast Asian island of Borneo. That means that it's the only place where you can find them. Theories for the extensive length of their nose suggest it may be sexual selection by the females, who prefer louder vocalizations. The bigger the nose, the noisier. Featuring an impressive prehistorical appearance, the shoebill is a very large stork-like bird. Its name comes from its gigantic shoe-shaped bill, which is an adaptation for catching and holding the large slippery lungfish, its favorite food. They live in tropical East Africa in large swamps. The adult is mainly gray, while the juveniles are browner. The shoebill is a very tall bird, with a typical height range of 110 to 140 centimeters. They clap their mandibles together as a display, producing a loud, hollow sound. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.